in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This storm is also exhibiting weak low-level rotation. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Roscoe, Harvard, South Beloit, Rockland, Poplar Grove, Candlewick Lake, Sharon, Cape Ron, Hebron, Timberlane, Garden Prairie, Cameron, and Caledonia, including the following Interstate 90 between mile marker 0 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is